Ooh, I'm going to get you. Just kidding, let's get started. First step you want to do is lay down your fabric, and then you want to top it with your batting, then top it with your board. It worked. Yay. Okay. This shit is actually working. Hey tribe, welcome back to my channel. I am here with yet another fun video. So today I'll be showing you guys my step-by-step process of building my life-size 2022 vision board. Now, I'm not gonna take the credit for this idea. I found it through my favorite influencer, Erin On Demand. Thanks for the idea, girl. So I definitely wanted to put this in action. What's really funny is I've never done a vision board before, but your girl had to be extra. So I'm like, you know what? If I'm gonna do the darn thing, I'm gonna do it. One of the funnest things about this project was going and grabbing the supplies. So I used a huge piece of plywood from the local Home Depot. So I'm rolling into Home Depot. First of all, I'm super confused because I have no idea all these different plywood brands. And so I finally find someone to help me. And man, those guys at Home Depot were so fun. I think I even got me a little handyman on the side, okay? Because he had to help your girl put it in the car. It was a whole mess. Anyways, so the plywood standard size comes in 8x6, and for the space in which I wanted to store my vision board, it's 4x6. So I had him go ahead and cut my vision board to the exact dimensions so that when I'm storing it, it'll be in the perfect place. So I've never done a vision board before, you guys. And for me, I am typically one of those girls that I have my notebook, my notes, and I just sit down, and I definitely always write down my goals. But when it comes to doing vision boards, I'm not like super arts and crafty. This year, I decided to do a vision board because in 2021, I did some pretty uncomfortable things where I really stepped out of my comfort zone and putting myself out there, becoming an entrepreneur, content creator, starting a business. It was freaking insane. I want to be able to, like, my goals are so big, you guys. I want to be able to visualize those things every morning when I wake up and every night before I go to sleep. Now, as you can see in some of the clips, I have two boards. One board is going to be my vision board, and this is going to be a living board. I'll be updating it as the year goes on, and the second board is going to be my wins. So as I'm progressing through the year, as I'm hitting my goals, I'm going to hang the accomplishments on my wins board to keep me even more motivated. I really am dreaming big for 2022. Wait. If you guys aren't doing so already, please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And if you want to catch me on other social media platforms, please go ahead and check the link below. All right, guys, so here's my two boards and my little baby board right here. My staple gun. My fabric. And this fun stuff called batting. So the first step you want to do is lay down your fabric, and then you want to top it with your batting, then top it with your board. Once you're done with that, you want to make sure that the measurements are correct. The person that actually cut my fabric cut the dimensions a little bit wrong, and so that's why it looks like it's more fabric than what it is, but it should have been rotated around. But no problem. So we're able to make it work by making sure, because you want your board to be pretty taut anyways. So yeah, it's working, and all I'm doing is just taking like a heavy duty staple gun and stapling down the fabric and the batting to the board. So make sure when you guys are getting your measurements, you cut extra so that you'll have enough to cover the board and like go around. I really want to focus on the next 12 weeks, Q1. So that's what I'm putting on the board. if the ones would ever present itself. These things are like all sticking together. Z, probably should have laid these out a little neater. Whoopsie. So I did it, you guys. My 2022 vision board is complete. And as you can see, I went ahead and actually put Q1. I'm reading this book called The 12-Week Year, and I highly recommend reading it. And it pretty much breaks out your goals in 12 weeks instead of 12 months. And so that's why I put Q1. The book, it doesn't matter from a quarterly perspective, just think 12 weeks, and whenever you start your 12 weeks, that's when it starts. Mine starts on Monday. So, my 2022 word of the year is abundance. What is abundance? The state or condition of having a copious quantity of something, plentifulness of the good things of life, prosperity, health, and love. So that is what I'm trying to manifest for myself this year. My 2022 affirmation is I am a money magnet and money flows to me easily and abundantly. And as you guys can see, I got some pretty aggressive goals here. I'm hoping that once I complete these goals, I'm able to transfer it over here to my wins board. Baby girl, how you gonna upgrade me? What's higher than number one? Oh, I'm not the win for 2022? Oh, just kidding. No, but for real, you guys. So as I start to hit some of these goals, I have social media goals, brand deal goals, which is about the same. I have new online client goals, revenue goals, travel goals that are very important to me. Down here, I want to take on a new hobby, boxing. As you guys know, I'm a fitness trainer. I love working out, but I don't like a boring routine. So boxing is a new hobby that I'd like to pick up. And I am manifesting from 9 to 5 to CEO. Flag? That ain't no flag. Oh. Whew, sorry guys, as you can see, like the Green Bay game is on, so I'm gonna wrap this thing on up. I want you guys to let me know what your 2022 goals are. Go ahead and drop a comment below, and I'd love to help, especially if they're fitness goals. And as always, tribe, thank you so much for watching, and catch my next video. Until next time, toodles.